Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? Oh, hi. Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Carolyn. Have you been dreaming about life under the sea? Well, these mermaid-inspired cupcakes are sure to make your collection complete. Let's dive right into it. You will need sugar, salt, baking soda, flour, buttermilk, vanilla extract, food coloring, and butter. For the batter, add 1 cup of sugar. Add 1½ cups of unsalted butter room temperature and mix until light and fluffy. Add 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract. Add 3 eggs room temperature. Add them one at a time into the batter. In a separate bowl, add 1½ cups of flour. In the same bowl, add 1½ teaspoons of baking soda. Mix them together. Add a little bit of the flour mixture, a little at a time, and add 3/4 a cup of buttermilk. Also add that a little bit at a time too. When you're done adding all of the ingredients, then it should start looking a little bit doughy. Divide the batter evenly into 3 separate bowls. Take out pink, blue, and purple food coloring. If you don't have purple food coloring, you can just add red and blue food coloring to make purple. You can make the bowls of batter any color you like. Add your different batter colors into cupcake wrappers. You can add them in any pattern you want. Don't add in too much batter into the wrappers, otherwise it'll overflow when it's done baking. Don't forget to prepare a muffin pan with cupcake liners. And also, preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. They should look pretty puffy. If they look soggy, then you should leave them in for a few more minutes and check on them again. This is part 2, Mermaid Tales. You will need candy melts, a small bowl for melting each color of candy melts, and mermaid tail candy molds. You don't have to use aqua and purple candy melts. You can use whichever color you think works best. Microwave the candy melts 30 seconds at a time until they're soft enough to stir. Now, you can place the candy melts into the mermaid tail molds. Now I'm going to put this in the fridge for 30 minutes. For the buttercream frosting, start with 2 cups of unsalted butter, room temperature. Mix the butter until light and fluffy. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add 5 cups of confectioner's sugar, also known as powdered sugar. The buttercream should start looking like this, light and fluffy. Then, add a few drops of blue food coloring. Add as much as you want. If you want it to be dark blue, add lots of drops, 1 at a time. If you want it to be light blue, add a few drops, 1 at a time. Put the buttercream into an icing bag. Next, take the mermaid tails out from the refrigerator and pop them gently onto a plate. Make a circle of frosting around each cupcake. Then, add sprinkles on the frosting. Then, use the decorative tip to make a swirl of frosting on each cupcake. Put a mermaid tail on each cupcake. Wow, looks ready to eat. You'll see multiple colors when you bite into each cupcake. Looks magical. Okay, restart. Oh, wait, what? Sorry. Okay. Oh, hi. Welcome back to another video episode of... Uh-oh.